Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I will show you how to download and install the SD Maid application to your Android TV device without using the download application. This is very simple. If you find it helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So the application we'll be using in this case is the APK Time application. And if you're wondering how to get APK Time to your Android TV without the downloader, then worry no more, because in the description of this video, I've added a link that should help you get the APK time to your Android TV without the download application. So after getting down the APK time, just go ahead and launch it, and then you come down to the option that says Tools. So follow attentively. Come to the option that says Tools over here, and then you browse a little bit down. You are going to see the SD Maid application. So it's somewhere here. Here's it over here. So all you need to do is click on a download, and the application is going to download straight away. So click download and it's going to be downloaded. Once it's done downloading, you can then install to your Android TV device. If you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.